Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Google Trends for YouTube or for whatever you want to use it for to research. Whether you are a blogger who wants to use it to explore, to know more about what people are searching for on Google, or you are a YouTuber who want to actually look at what people are searching for on YouTube, this thing can Google Trends will really help you a lot. So this is how to use Google Trends. First of all, you can just type Google Trends. Then you click on to open Google Trends. After you open it, you will see Explore. So you click on the Explore. And then when you open, you will see a certain country will show. So you can click to select a different country, different from what is actually there. So for example, I want to have some information worldwide. So you can come here and then look for, so you see past 90 days, past 30 days. So this one I want to check information for the past 30 days. You can actually do past 30, past 90, past 4 hours, 7 days, and all that, okay? So after you choose whichever duration of time you want, now you can put a key term so that we search and see how exactly, because Google Trends is actually used to study how words rank, how people search for certain terms on Google or on YouTube, and how you can capitalize on that to use it to for keyword research. Maybe you are a content creator who want to use it to know whether creating content relating to a specific key term will help you or not. You can use all this to do that. So first of all, so for example, let's say that I want to study Facebook ads, for example. So I type Facebook ads. So as you can see, they are showing me the results of Facebook ads over time. We want to compare that with Google ads, okay? And see which of them they are looking for more often. Google ads. So when you search for it, you see, if you compare Facebook ads and Google ads, it means that people who search for Google ads on either Google or YouTube, the search volume for Google is higher than Facebook. That is on the, you can see this is web search. You can come, we have image search, news search, Google Shopping, YouTube. You can also use this to filter and go to what YouTube, okay? Because the first one is web search. That is searching on the web. But let's go to YouTube. So when you come to YouTube, comparatively, it seems Google is still actually ahead, but comparatively, you can see that Facebook ads is getting closer. Facebook ads is getting closer, but Google is still a little bit ahead, but they're very close here. So you can always use this particular tool to filter between what? YouTube and then web search, and then image search, news search, Google Shopping, and all that. Now, one other important thing you need to know is you can come down here to see the interest. So this one, for example, is the interest for Facebook ads by region. So when you look at the regions here, you will see any place you see blue, that is Facebook. So as you can see, there's more search for Facebook in the US, there's more search in Australia, and then a few in Africa, and then almost none in the Asian continent, and then more in the South American continent. Then, if you go down further, you can see related queries. So you can see audience, network, Facebook ads, Facebook Lite. All these that you're seeing here are things that people are searching for that relate. So these are related queries. If you scroll down to, you will see related queries again. But this one is for the Google ads. They will also show you the interest by region. And so if you look at this one, you can see that from Brazil, there is more search for it, because the deeper the color, the deeper the higher the number of searches, or the higher the search volume. So this one is lighter, which means it's slower. This one is more. Then you can see also related queries. And then always you can see rising. Rising actually means that these queries are the ones that are coming up more and more, or they are searching for more searches, or the searches for these key terms are increasing. So that is the meaning of the rising. So you can see right there, you can see top, and then you can scroll down. So if you want to add another key term, you can also add. And at the end of the day, if you want to come and do further research, you can come and then you will copy all these search terms. So for example, you can copy the search terms, then you can do further research. If you're really a YouTuber, you want to use it for YouTube, you can do further research by searching, and then when you copy the search terms, you can do individual searches one by one, or more specifically on vidIQ. vidIQ is one of the most powerful tools you can use for YouTube. And for example, if you copy, let's say, the key terms that I just copied. So let me paste it and show you something. So I'm pasting the key terms, and then people are asking for audience network on Facebook. What exactly does it mean? That's what people are searching for. So I will come and put it on vidIQ and see what exactly people are asking for it, because vidIQ will give you a rank. So here, for example, audience network is ranking around, you see that it's green, 67, and it means that it's a good search term and you can use it. Now, for this particular how to use vidIQ, I did a video specifically for vidIQ, which is in the description of this video. If you follow it, you'll be able to know how to use vidIQ, so that you can use a combination of Google Trends and vidIQ to do more searches that can help you look for content gaps on YouTube, make more money, and be able to build a very strong niche, and then capitalize on your niche to really yes, if you, of course, want more views, or you want to sell a product or service and you want organic views, this is really going to help you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos. I'll also leave a copy of Achieving Your Greatest Dreams, which is one of the most powerful books on how to achieve your most ambitious goals and dreams, and how to discover your life purpose. Thank you once again. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.